Are you finished, gentlemen? Finished with him?
Yeah, we're done.
Okay.
This is what happens when you try to sneak into Area 51.
You've trespassed on the test site here, and you're detained, of course. Are you in handcuffs?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay. So I have to advise you of your constitutional rights before I ask any more questions, okay?
This never-before-seen footage is taken from inside Area 51. The video was captured by a body cam worn by a Lincoln County Sheriff's deputy who arrived shortly after Area 51 security guards alleged this man trespassed into the top-secret military base.
Yeah, hey, sir. To cut you off. Hey, sir.
Oh, yeah, I talked to you earlier.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
In Ash Springs at the gas station. Yeah, the Green Valley Market.
Yeah.
Yeah. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm sorry that we're seeing each other again like this.
Yeah, I'm sorry to waste everyone's time.
Well, let me tell you something, okay? You've trespassed on the test site here. With the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. You have the right to an attorney. You're not under arrest. I want to clarify that. You're not under arrest right now. You're being detained.
Okay.
Okay. You have the right to speak with an attorney and have him present when you answer any questions. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. And at any time you can stop answering any questions.
The guards, known as camo dudes, have surrounded the man and his vehicle. Although it's a typical misconception that the camo dudes are military, they're private security. It's unknown how far the group is in Area 51, but the response by the camo dudes was immediate. The man was then detained and put into handcuffs. You can see that the man's vehicle is surrounded by at least 2 other vehicles, white Ford Raptors that the camo dudes drive to patrol the perimeter of the base.
The bail for the citation, when I say bail, that's if I were to take you to jail, you would have to post $640 to be released.
Okay.
Bail in Nevada can be paid in lieu of fine. So when it says bail amount, that's basically your fine amount. All right, it's just I want you to understand the terminology.
Okay.
So your fine amount is $640. Sorry to shine that in your eyes, brother. I'm sorry. Your court date is December 8th, 10 a.m. The Alamo Justice Court. You do not have to appear in court on this. You can take care of this over the phone or through the mail.
Okay.
The only reason you would need to appear in court is if you were going to request a trial, and it'd be a bench trial, and you would come and say, I didn't trespass. I'd say, he did trespass, and she'd find you guilty, and she'd put you in jail for up to 6 months. I see our judge is a female. All right?
Okay.
There's nothing for you to sign. I marked that I served you the citation.
Okay.
Okay, if you have any questions, call the number out listed here for the court, okay?
Okay.
All right, that's yours to take.
So I'm going to have to pay that?
Yes, sir.
As the deputy turns, you can see that the detained man is surrounded by more security. At least 2 men on one side and another 2 behind him, all who are armed, showing the seriousness of the situation. It appears the man's belongings were confiscated. Another camo dude gets out of the vehicle and holds open what appears to be a bag, and together they begin to go through what could be the detained man's belongings, including his wallet and passport. As the camera turns, it becomes clear that there are 3 vehicles lying down the road surrounding the detained man, an immediate and striking response for a single person allegedly trespassing.
Before December 8th?
Well, you can call and make arrangements to pay it off in payments, or pay it completely with a credit card, or send them a check or money order.
Okay.
But you have to do something with it, either plead not guilty or make payment arrangements by December 8th.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. So go ahead and get back in your car. Are you finished, gentlemen, finished with him?
Yeah, we're done.
Okay, make a U-turn, head back to Alamo. You know how to get back to Alamo?
Yeah, the stop sign, hang right.
Then a right, and then it takes you all the way into Vegas. But I'm gonna make sure that you make it through Alamo, because I don't want you turning around and coming back here.
Yeah, I wouldn't do.
Right.
Yeah, if I did a shady move like that, I would hope you would just beat me and put me in the bushes.
Well, no, we'd take you to jail is what we do.
Yeah.
So gentlemen, thank you for your assistance. Go ahead and
Thank you.
LT.
Thank you. He's on the radio. Thank you.
All right.
Joseph, all your stuff is in your front seat. All your stuff is in the front seat along with your keys.
Okay.
So just double check, make sure you have everything, your passport and all that stuff.
Okay.